Hey there, and welcome to the Ad Pushup channel. Today, we are diving into CPM, one of the most important metrics in online advertising. Whether you are a publisher looking to maximize revenue or an advertiser aiming to get the most value from your investment, understanding CPM is a must. In case we haven't met, I am Gitanjali and I am here to simplify the world of ad tech for you. Let's jump right in. So, what exactly is CPM? It stands for cost per mille. And no, we are not talking about miles. Mille is Latin for 1000, so CPM refers to the cost advertisers pay for every 1000 ad impressions. For advertisers, it's a way to measure the efficiency of their spend. For publishers, it's a metric that reflects how much you earn from ads on your site. Think of it as a bridge between advertisers and publishers. Let's make it easy. Here's the formula. CPM is equal to the total ad spend divided by the total impressions multiplied by 1000. For example, if an advertiser spends $500 on a campaign that generates 100,000 impressions, divide $500 by 100,000, then multiply by 1000. The CPM is $5. It's simple math, but it tells you a lot about the value of your ad inventory. Why use CPM? So, why is CPM such a big deal? For advertisers, it's a clear way to track how far their budget can stretch. For publishers, it's an indicator of your site's earning potential. It's efficient, scalable, and works for just about anyone in the ad ecosystem. CPM ads are great because they are predictable. Advertisers know exactly what they are paying. They are lucrative. Publishers earn money just from impressions. No clicks are required. They are flexible, perfect for campaigns of any size. For publishers, CPM ads are incredibly rewarding. The more traffic you generate, the more revenue you can earn. And if you operate in a high-demand niche, you can even command higher CPM rates. Advertisers, this one's for you. CPM campaigns are fantastic for brand recognition. Even if users don't click, they'll remember your ad. And in advertising, familiarity breeds trust and eventually action. Now, let's talk about the best CPM ad networks, starting with Ad Pushup. Our platform specializes in ad revenue optimization for publishers, with features like header bidding, ad layout testing, and access to premium demand partners. Ad Pushup ensures you maximize your CPM rates. If you're serious about scaling your ad revenue, Ad Pushup is your go-to solution. And hey, that's not just us saying it, our results speak for themselves. Next up, Google AdSense, a classic choice for publishers. It's user-friendly and offers decent CPMs. But keep in mind that competition can sometimes lower rates. Still, a great starting point for many. Other solid networks include Media.net, great for contextual ads with strong CPMs. Propeller Ads, known for high CPM rates, especially for push notifications. Buy-sell Ads, perfect for publishers wanting to work directly with premium advertisers. And there you have it, everything you need to know about CPM and the best networks to consider. If you'd like to dive deeper into CPMs, check out our detailed blog post linked in the description below. It's packed with actionable tips and insights. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your favorite CPM ad network. And, of course, don't forget to explore Ad Pushup for all your ad optimization needs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.